together with Kuya Greenies. Let's look at the camera and give you the smile. This moment, together with our dessert ambassador and Hagawala Kuya Greenies, because we have only limited minutes lang po. Once again to all our guests na gusto magpa-picture lapit. Once again, kids or adult na gusto magpa-picture, don't be shy, lapit lang tayo dito sa una.